Welcome back, friends. Spring is the perfect time to refresh your outdoor space, but when it comes to landscaping, it helps to have a professional's touch, right? The tricky part with that is finding out just how much the whole thing's going to cost. That is, it used to be tricky until now. This guy cracked the code. Landsmith Landscape just launched a brand new tool on their website that gives you the exact quote, no call necessary, and then you can take it from there. We're so happy to have Mr. Scott Worley here to tell us more. Scott, how are you?
Hey, I'm good, man. Thank you.
Good. So you call this investment builder. What is an investment builder?
An investment builder is kind of like a shopping cart for your outdoor living and landscape project.
Okay.
But what makes it unique is that instead of building a exact quote, what we're doing is we're giving you a sense of what it's going to take to build the kinds of things that you're interested in building. So it gives you a price range, it gives you options, and gives you a sense of what are you kind of getting for like this kind of budget. Just kind of break that initial ice on
Gotcha.
what it's going to take.
So how does it work from the consumer's end? What are they doing?
Well, you start by going to our website, which is landsmithbuilds.com, and you'll go to pricing. And you're going to see a number of cards that show different kinds of services, things like patio, fireplace, pergola. And you're going to get these kinds of options. This is a great example right here. Check it out. And you can pick the photo and the description changes.
Very cool.
And we're building our cart here. And it's going to give us a sense of what we're looking at. But here's what we're really doing, Matt, is what it's teaching us is it's giving us a sense of where we want to invest for our outdoor project.
Right.
And so where are our priorities? Are we looking to create some sort of sanctuary? Maybe we hit budget for a smaller patio, but we put more money into the landscaping and the planting.
Right.
If we're looking to entertain for a space, we're going to want a larger patio, and things like the plantings are going to be more of this periphery, and so we're going to add it that way. And that's going to really help educate us on what you're going for your project.
I think that's informative for us on the consumer end too, because until you see the hard facts and figures, you may not realize, oh, I can spend a little bit more and amp this up where I care less about this, or I'll get less use out of this, so we could maybe downgrade a little bit here. That's a beautiful thing. So once you go through this process, then what happens from there? What happens next?
Well, when you submit the form for the calculator, for the investment builder, then what we'll do is we'll reach out to you. We schedule a consultation for a free in-home consultation. We come out, we discuss these budgets a little further to give you a better idea of what it's going to take, and then we offer you a design engagement to put it all together.
That is so cool. But again, you go into it with your eyes wide open. You have a sense for the price range, and that's going to help them too.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for coming in. This is very, very clever, I think. To get in contact with Landsmith Landscape Architecture and Construction, there's a phone number on your screen. Write that down. Put it in your phone, 314-947-4788. Or you can check them out on the web. The website is landsmithbuilds.com/pricing. That will get you right there to the investment builder. Damon, what a cool concept.
Very much so. Love it. Thank you, guys.